So you guys, welcome to a new one. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for clicking by to the island of Krk. We are right now in our hotel, just checked in with a lovely view to Vrbnik. Let me just show you our hotel, which is just amazing, guys. This is the room for tonight here in Vrbnik. Wow, perfect view to the city. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Small doors. Vrbnik is located on the east coast of the island of Krk, and Krk is connected with the mainland since 1980 with the Krk Bridge, I think was the name. Vrbnik was built by the residents on this 49-meter hill. Very fascinating. Every alley, every house, every passage is adapted to the rock, and we are nearly, I would say, the only people who are on tour right now.
Narrowest street in the world.
Only 43 centimeters wide.
Yes. It's small.
And if you're a real beast, could be closely for you here today. Famous landmarks here in Vrbnik, the Church of St. Mary of Annunciation, and the bell tower was built in 1527, and back in the days they used it as a prison, so not the worst view from up there, but still not good, guys. First stop here for us, the Oprna, I think this is the right way, Oprna Beach. And there's no parking area, so you have to park all along the street. There is it. This is the beach, which is called the most beautiful one here on the island of Krk. And they also say it's one of the most beautiful one in Croatia. A 15-minute walk to come down here. It says it's covered by sand and gravel, but it's, I think, just gravel, but still very beautiful. The water looks very nice. One of the most beautiful beaches here in Croatia. In my opinion, it's not my favorite because I prefer the sandy beaches, but this one was still very lovely, and we're heading now over to Krk, so see you in Krk City. Welcome to Krk, the cultural center of the island here in Krk at the Oprna Bay. So the city with this unpronounceable name has developed over time into one of the most popular holiday destinations in northern Croatia. So right around this corner over there in the bay, we got the harbor, and this massive walls are these city walls. There's a little beach area over there and over there, and in this direction is another beautiful bay, I guess. Two?
Yes.
And
2 bays. And one is for dogs.
One is for dogs. And there's a pier where you can jump in. Very lovely, but as you can see, everything full with rocks. Back at the car park, and let's see what else is going on here on Krk Island. So here we got some sand, no rocks, and the sand over here, or this beach, has healing mud. A lot of people are rubbing the mud on their bodies, and then they go into the water, and the water is very flat, so you can go very far into the water, and it's a very huge beach actually. The water is so warm. I think it's like, feels like it's slippery over there. It's very slippery, I can say, but the water feels like more than 26, 27. We accidentally took the wrong mud. We've been told that this mud we took like from the water. This is the wrong one, so you have to take it over there. It's the black sand, and this is the real mud which helps you, but it was still nice. Thumbs up for this beach, very nice one. Healing, peeling. You got this long pier, and the water was also very nice and warm. Definitely recommend it, guys. This place is not so touristy than the others we've been at, and I would say not that well known like Krk or Vrbnik. This is Njivice, and it's located on the northwest coast of the island Krk, with a population of round about 1,000 people, and it's very cute over here. You got this little harbor and plenty of restaurants, and we're gonna have some food over here. We are in a cute little restaurant right next to the harbor, which is called, oh, that's not the name, Bistro, right? Is it Bistro called?
Bistro City, maybe?
Love the pronunciation.
Perfect.
Yes. This is honey liquor from the house.
Smells nice.
Yeah, it smells good, yeah? Like water. Yeah, it's good. Krk is a lovely place to come to. Beautiful island with stunning places to visit. We hope we could give you some insights. We are driving now 3 hours to our next destination, which is going to be the Krk National Park. We hope you like this little video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hopefully see you in the next one. Peace.